When the moon becomes dark, when the earth comes in between the sun and the moon. And the sun becomes dark when the moon comes in between the earth and the sun. So here when the moon is eclipsed is talking about the lunar eclipse. That the earth comes in between, and that happens once in a year, once in few years. That's the reason the Prophet told us to pray it, because we fear that these are the signs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The moon getting eclipsed is a sign of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So giving you a glimpse that finally, we have to die. We have to be accountable on the day of judgment. So there's no contradiction at all. So many a times there are similes giving you a taste of it, that what's going to happen. But we don't see the moon and sun join now. This joining of the moon and sun will only take place in Qiyamah, not now. Certain indications are there which you have a taste of it. But the complete description in the Quran, and the Quran continues, what is Qiyamah, etc. All the descriptions are given. How will a person feel, etc. So that is complete. So this is talking about the Qiyamah. It's giving you signs of it. And there's no contradiction at all. And this is exactly what will happen on the day of resurrection, on the day of Qiyamah.